Hi, my name is Stephanie Varela. I belong to group 901005. I am a sure person of what I want. Like a challenge, I want to continue studies since I want to improve myself every day. I would like to live in another country since I like to learn another language. I like to job of learning because I think that's the days I used with the gets up early. I like to take care of myself in the morning. I love going to the gym. I like to keep my mind busy learning new things every day. Option 3. The black hole. First, how important is money for you? For the money is no so important. Other things are more important like family or love. 2. What world you what you do if you had a black hole like on is the short film? Uh, to be honest, I would not like to have black hole since what I want I will achieve myself. 3. Is money the root of all evil? If so, what is? Eh, it is not like that. Sometimes it is simply the root of people. 4. How far would you go in order to make money? If what I wanted was simple money, you worked hard for it. 5. What do you concern is having a risky or illegal jobs just because of the money you can make? No, first my life and my health. Thank you. Goodbye.